Hello everyone, especially our students. This is Dr. Chitkara, Chancellor Chitkara University this side. Today I would like to address all the stakeholders during these difficult times. Today when we are all fighting for this battle against COVID-19, I would like to suggest all of you to follow 5 P's, which are very extremely important. The first P is protection. It is important to protect ourselves as well as all your near and dear ones. And this can only happen when we all follow the government guidelines very seriously from time to time. The second P is become the productive. The production at home. The productive at home. We all are here at home in this lockdown situation. We all can be productive at home, helping our parents and family members. Spending family time with each other is the most productive exercise. As we give eternal happiness throughout our lives, we all have been very busy doing one thing or the other. Now is the best time to bond with the family ones who have been waiting for our time and also to make us to do that. Third P is the patience. As these difficult times, just check one's patience, and that is what is expected out of us. One can be patient by thanking the Almighty and always remind oneself in every minute it too shall pass. The fourth P, being positive. If all the members of the Chitkara fraternity remain positive, it will generate a great amount of positive energy which will enough to fight the battle COVID-19. We'll all fight this battle together and emerge stronger and victorious. हम होंगे कामयाब. Last, the fifth P, praise and pray. Let us appreciate the efforts of our COVID warriors and all the frontline heroes who are helping and serving the mankind unconditionally. I would also like to thank and pray for our hard-working faculty members and equally hard-working staff members, our industry partners, our university partners, and all our alumni across the globe for their well-being. In the end, I would like to bless all the stakeholders with best of health, safety, longevity and strength. Always and always, God bless you all. We will meet soon. Namaskar.
Hello my dear students. This is Dr. Madhu Chitkara, Pro-Chancellor Chitkara University. I think well said by our Chancellor sir that this is a time to follow 5 P's. So just I wanted to talk to you that there are some concerns with the students, and next week I think we are going to start with the online classes, and your course I think is given to you by your deans and by your faculty members. So if you have not got it, please try to connect to them that how the things will be moving. The only concern I think which is very much done with the students are that in some of the remote areas you are not getting the internet connectivity, and you are not able to go through all the online lectures. So if that is so with you, just connect to your mentors and how the things will be done. So don't worry about it. We are with you, and we are using some platforms where you can learn whatever we wanted to give you. The first go, we will try to go with the 3 of the subjects in every semester. First MST, you are done with it. The second MST will be after doing this course. If offline courses, offline evaluation is to be done, and that will be only possible if you are at the campus. If it is not possible for you to come to the campus because of the circumstances of COVID-19, what we will do is that online evaluation will be done. The only concern will be about the practical papers, and if the practical courses are not possible to be done in this semester, that will be added to the next semester, and now we will do the theory programs. So that will not be a problem. So first problem or first connect, whatever is your concern is done. The second is, I think you all are concerned, especially the fourth year students and the 3-year students, third year students of pre-placement, that what will happen with their placements. Industry is very positive because they know also that what will happen, and they are doing the business. Because if you see about the IT companies, they are doing work from home and their works are doing it. So your placement will not be a problem. Our placement teams are talking to the industry and they are saying that it will be done the same manner. We have talked to the 600 plus companies which were coming to our campuses. They were saying that we will take their pre-placement tests online, and the things will be done like it was done the last all the years which we were doing. So I think that is the concern. The third thing is, you have ample of time with you at home. 24/7 you are at home, and do some courses which are on the online mode and do the certifications. You can take the course or you can choose the course. If you are not able to do it, just take the guidance from your mentors that what all courses you can do other than the regular courses. And if you have some hobbies which you wanted to do that, so now it is a time that you should do that online. Last but not the least is that try to discipline yourself. Try to manage your time so properly that the timetable is made and you are doing whatever extra you can do. So I think this all is to be taken care. Chitkara University is with you. We all at Chitkara University wants the best of the knowledge to be given to you, and we are doing it through the online programs. If you have any problem, you want something to be done with the Chitkara University, connect to your mentors and they will be giving you the guidance. So it is a request from all of us in Chitkara University that please try to stay safe, stay healthy, stay smart. Thank you very much and God bless you. Namaskar.